Over the past couple of weeks, we have reviewed a couple of ways to find the right adapter. If you are someone who is a visual learner or knows what the adapter will be used for, but can't quite identify it, this next method is for you. If you or your business are part of our marketing target, or you ordered something from us previously, chances are that you have seen one of our single sheet product catalogs. We have several of these catalogs for the various categories or uses that our products fall under. We have them for EV charging, welders, generators, RVs, and many more. Knowing what you will use your equipment and next adapter for can help you narrow down your search, and even help you learn about other solutions. You can see all of the single sheet catalogs on our site. Once you're in acworks.com, go to the drop-down tab named Downloads. From there, click Product Sheet Downloads. There you will see all of our current product catalogs. When you click on one, it should open in your current tab or open another tab on your browser for viewing. From there you can download it if you would like. Since it is starting to get warm out and to keep things positive, as an example, let's say you are a food truck owner getting ready for the season but need to adapt to a specific outlet on your portable generator. Your food truck has a NEMA 1450 plug, but the best outlet you have available to work with is NEMA L1430. You can start your search by clicking on the RV, Marine, and Truck product download. Knowing you have an L1430 outlet to work with, you start your search by finding the plug that would fit that. Then the female connector of that adapter needs to fit the 1450 plug that you have. Looking at the page, you'll notice there are NEMA configuration sketches to help you with that part. The pairing of L1430P and 1450R is what you need. To the right of that are a few different products. You have a compact adapter, RVL1430-1450, a flexible adapter, EVL1430MS-018, and a cord that can work with both adapters, L1430PR. Once you decide the one that is best for your needs, all you have to do is use that part number to the right of the image of the product to find it on our site. And just like that, you are ready to go. If you still have any questions about finding the right product for you, please leave us a comment down below. Otherwise, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. Thank you for watching.